Discover unparalleled freedom with the best mobility scooters, offering effortless movement and access. Experience unmatched comfort and smart innovation for a smooth, enjoyable ride that preserves your independence. With ergonomic designs and advanced features, these scooters offer a comfortable and smooth ride, ensuring your independence without compromising on comfort. Hi guys! Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best mobility scooters for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Claiming the 5th spot is the VEVE Wheel Mobility Scooter, offered at an affordable price of approximately $800. The VEVE Mobility 4-Wheel Scooter is your ride to freedom. Expand your horizons with the anti-flat tires that navigate any and all surfaces, both indoor and out. Feel secure with the anti-slip wheels that have been tested and designed to help on any ramp you might ride on your journey. Take in your freedom at your own pace with the easy-to-use speed knob. It allows you to set your top speed, so it's one less thing you have to think about. With a top speed of 3.7 miles, you'll be able to keep up with anyone walking with you, or maybe even leave them behind as you scout ahead. Don't worry, it has a built-in horn so others can hear you coming. The Easy Charge battery is one of its proudest features. All you need to do is plug in and relax. The cool part is that one charge will get you about 12.4 miles of range. That's about 218 football fields you can travel in one go. Fortunately, these scooters come with high-intensity LED headlights that allow you to see exactly where you're going in any situation, at any time of day. Your scooter comes with a height-adjustable padded swivel seat, with cushioned arm pads and a backrest. They include the swivel feature so you can get on and off easily. On your day-to-day travels, you might need to bring some essentials, or maybe you've found something you like along the way. For situations like that, they've included a removable storage basket. Maybe you'll want to take your scooter everywhere, which is why VEVE Health made it TSA approved, and made sure that when disassembled, the scooter can easily fit in any trunk, with no piece weighing more than 29 pounds. Introducing the So Light Lightweight Folding Mobility Scooter, ranked at number 4 by Journey Health and Lifestyle. This remarkable scooter is conveniently priced at approximately $2,400. Got places to go and things to do? Of course, you do. The Journey So Light scooter is designed to get you from point A to point B, safely and easily. At Journey Health and Lifestyle, they created a scooter that is lighter, but still super sturdy and maneuverable. Plus, safety is always a top priority. Mission accomplished. At just 44.5 pounds, the So Light scooter folds up easily, and can fit into the back seat or trunk in a flash. The So Light scooter unfolds with no tools required. With intuitive, easy-to-use controls, you'll get the hang of this in no time. And when you're riding, you've got safety on your side. Electronic stability control automatically slows you down on turns. Anti-tippers provide extra safety. When you release the throttle, the automatic electromagnetic brakes are incredibly responsive. The speed adjustment dial lets you set your top speed where you feel comfortable, up to 5 miles per hour. Speaking of comfortable, the padded seat back and armrests are the best in class, and they can support anyone weighing up to 265 pounds. The Journey So Light scooter will take you up to 8 miles on a single charge. So, load up the storage baskets, start your engines, and get ready to roll. The So Light scooter is very light, very safe, and designed to get you moving. Go shopping, visit friends and family, and get out and about. The battery will last up to 8 miles on a single charge. Number 3. Introducing the Pride Revo 2.0 Wheel Mobility Scooter, a remarkable mobility solution designed to enhance your everyday life. With a remarkable weight capacity of 400 pounds, this scooter empowers a wide range of users to experience newfound freedom and independence. Experience the thrill of movement at speeds of up to 5.2 miles per hour, while the incredibly tight 40 inches turning radius allows for effortless navigation through both narrow spaces and open pathways. The scooter's capabilities are impressively consistent, offering a range of 17.4 miles per charge at 200 pounds and 12.8 miles per charge at 400 pounds, ensuring you can confidently embark on extended journeys. Crafted with your comfort in mind, the Pride Revo 2.0 features an ergonomic delta tiller, which offers a comfortable and intuitive grip. The rugged, non-scuffing, flat-free tires provide a smooth and worry-free ride, while the built-in LED headlight illuminates your path for added safety, even in low-light conditions. Personalizing your experience is effortless with the easy-to-grip tiller adjustment knob, allowing you to find the perfect driving position. Experience exceptional stability and comfort with the Comfort Track front and rear suspension, ensuring a smooth ride across various terrains. This scooter's design isn't just functional, it's stylish too, with a durable and eye-catching rear bumper. For your convenience, easily accessible tie-down points facilitate the transport of the scooter when unoccupied. Adaptability is key, and Pride Revo 2.0 excels in this aspect. The easily adjustable tiller ensures a tailored fit, while the option to charge the batteries on or off the unit offers enhanced flexibility. The seat is ingeniously engineered for extreme comfort, ensuring that your journeys are not only convenient but enjoyable. Stay organized during your outings with the standard front basket, offering ample storage space for your belongings. The ultra heavy-duty drivetrain, equipped with a 70-amp controller, guarantees powerful and reliable performance. The user-friendly console keeps you in control, and the built-in USB mobile device charging port ensures that your devices stay charged while you're on the move. Ranked at number 2, we present the Drive Medical Spitfire Scout 3 Compact Travel Scooter. This exceptional scooter can be yours for an affordable price of around $850. With the Spitfire Scout 3-wheel version, you get great maneuverability in tight spaces, with an amazing 45-inch turning radius. And an extended footboard, which benefits taller riders. And when the battery gauge shows the need for recharging, it's simple, just plug it into the port on the battery pack. Along with great performance, the Spitfire Scout offers excellent comfort. The upholstered stadium-style seat can swivel 180 degrees. And also has 3 height selections to suit users of nearly any height. The padded armrests flip up for convenient boarding and exiting of the scooter, and the armrest width can be adjusted to best fit the user. Plus, the tiller's angle is adjustable to position the controls in the most comfortable driving position. You can always count on Drive Medical to bring you convenient and innovative lifestyle solutions, now and for the road ahead. Taking the lead is the iLiving i3 Foldable Mobility Scooter. This exceptional scooter can be acquired for approximately $2,500. When it comes to mobility solutions, iLiving is your number one choice. Make mobility travel effortless, providing a fun and easy experience. Not only are they compact and lightweight, but their versatility allows you to explore anywhere you desire, from your favorite park to even rough terrain. Let's delve into the details of the i3 and discover why it's truly remarkable. The i3 is a genuine 4-wheel scooter, meticulously crafted from heavy-duty aircraft-grade aluminum, ensuring safety and stability. Remarkably, the scooter weighs a mere 53 pounds while accommodating riders up to 300 pounds. With an impressive range, and built-in comfort features, such as a cushioned seat, the i3 guarantees a comfortable ride every time. One of the most remarkable features is its toolless folding capability, making transportation in and out of your car a breeze. The steering, boasting excellent turning capacity, handles even rough terrains with finesse. The advanced user interface elegantly keeps you informed of its status. Powered by a lithium battery, the i3 balances power and weight efficiently. An additional compartment for a spare battery doubles your travel distance, providing up to 14 miles on a single charge. This innovative design includes easily swappable battery compartments, streamlining the power switching process. Despite its compact size, the i3 boasts an array of features. A storage compartment on the floorboard, a USB port for charging your devices, and a cushioned seat for maximum comfort are just a few of the highlights. For ultimate convenience, we offer an optional portable car charger, enabling you to recharge on the go. Designed and engineered in the US, iLiving scooters undergo rigorous factory testing to ensure each i3 scooter stands the test of time. It's truly a state-of-the-art creation that enhances your quality of life, empowering you to lead an active and independent lifestyle. With the i3, you can travel almost anywhere, by trains, planes, cars, coaches, and even cruises. No more daydreaming about your desired destinations. The i3 is ready to accompany you at a moment's notice.